neck pain, tension in the neck, tension between the shoulder blades, and this simple thing that you're using on a daily basis that's actually feeding the problem is the subject of this video. So stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shaki from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractic Posture Movement Clinic. Chances are you're either using a desktop, a laptop, an iPad, or a tablet, or your phone. And all of those, even when you use them correctly, are going to cause neck pain and tension between the shoulder blades when you do them over time. So then, out of all that I mentioned, which one is my least favorite? Is an iPad. Because with iPad, you don't have that option of opening the pad and you're looking really down and typing. With a laptop, you have a better chance of opening the screen a little bit more, and so you're not looking as far down. Of course, even with a laptop, you need to put it on a platform so the screen is at your eye level, and then you get yourself a wired or Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse. So you're turning your laptop into a desktop and you're customizing it based on the ergonomics of your own heights, heights and positioning. When it comes to your phone, what you can do is you can actually bring your phone all the way up. Just don't hold the phone with your arm out. Just bring your elbow in and hold the phone up. A lot of times I even make my fist in my armpit so I can turn it with the palm facing down or the palm facing my body, depending on, and that depends on, if I turn with the palm facing down, I can get a little bit higher view of my phone. These things, as silly as they sound, over time will make a huge difference. When you do something wrong over time, it really deconditions a lot of different things. So we're trying to make the best out of something that is not healthy for our body, and yet we're doing them every day. When it comes to desktop, which is the best way, you can actually increase the font size and move the desktop away from you and maintain those principles of ergonomics so you make the best of it. Regardless of what it is you're using that I mentioned here, you want to follow the 20-20-20 rule. That means after 20 minutes, you look at something 20 feet away for a period of 20 seconds. And you may think, well, I'm not going to do that. Well, the price you pay is a lot worse than you realize. So something as simple as that, if that can kind of minimize the amount of damage, then you should consider doing that. 20 seconds every 20 minutes, that means a minute an hour. I think you're worth a minute of your hour to invest in your own self. At any rate, if you're not following us on social media, make sure you do that. That's full of quick tips and do's and don'ts and things that, in my opinion, people should be aware of. The things I do with my own patients at my office. If you need to contact my office, use one of the methods of contact in the description box to contact my office. Thanks for subscribing.